One, if you're in higher institutions or you are writing any post-UTME in tertiary institutions that require mathematics, or you register for further mathematics in your Neco, WAEC, JAMB, you need these particular topics on the board. It's very, very important. So there's not they will set the questions like advanced maths that they will not set permutations, most especially conditional permutations. So look at the question that we're having for today. How many ways can a number consisting of 3 digits be formed from the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, such that each number must contain 2? As you can see it now. So number 2, no number must contain 2. So let's solve that within 2 seconds. We are done. So let's see. Let's quickly solve that. Know the formula. The formula that we used to use there must contain. The meaning means that must be part. In English, must contain. So that means the formula we are using here is R times n minus 1 permutation R minus 1. So that is the formula we are using. So just go there from the questions now. What is your n? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the n is 6. So what is your R? Just count. R is 3. This is your 3 digits. That is 3. Then you can go straight. 3 times n minus 1, 6 minus 1, permutations R 3 minus 1, then 3 times 6 minus 1 is 5, permutation 3 minus 1 is 2. So what is formula for permutations? N permutation R, the formula that we are using in permutation is this, is equals to n factorial over n minus R factorial. Then what do you have here? Use this here. So 3 times 5 factorial all over 5 minus 2 factorial. So at the end of the 3 times 5 factorial, 5 minus 2, that is 3 factorial. Then disintegrate this. I told you what is factorial. N factorial means n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 factorial. So you continue calling, like for instance 5 factorial, 5 times 5 minus 1, 4, 5 minus 2, 3, like that. 5 minus 2, 1, like that. So let's get the answer here now. So what do you have? 3 times 5 times 4 times 3 factorial. Over there's 3 factorial on that. 3 factorial cancel 3 factorial. So 3 times 5, 15. 15 times 4, 60. Your final answer is 60 ways. So that is, just check the option. That is option B. Not to waste our time, there are 2 questions there. No number must contain 2. Just quickly solve that. The formula used must not contain. That it must not be part. The first one said must be part. Second one said must not be part. It must not part of the part. So the formula here is that we use n minus 1. So when you know the formula, within 2 seconds you are done to get the answer. So what is the n? The n still remains the same thing. 6 minus 1 permutation 3. That would be 6. So we can solve that using our formula. N permutation n factorial, 5 factorial, 5 minus, what is it? 3 factorial. So we have 5 minus 3 factorial. So you can simplify 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial over 2 factorial. So this cancel this. Then 5 times 4, 20 times 3 is 60. So we are having 60 ways. So that is option A. So please don't forget to follow us for more. Thanks.